Welcome back to Tiago's Tips. Today we're making a birdhouse. And we have Luke with us. Here's Luke. And so we're going to make a birdhouse out of these planks. And it's going to look just like this when it's done.
All right, so first piece we attached was the back with the nail gun. Okay, now we're gonna add the sides. Okay, now we're gonna add the front. Now we're gonna add the top.
Finally, going to add the hole in front of the birdhouse right here. Whoa! So this is the final product, and they're pretty cool. Perfect birdhouses will work perfectly for like any bird because we have a lot of birds around here. We have another bigger birdhouse in the back, and yeah, that was filled up with a bunch of nests. So 2 more birdhouses. Yeah, maybe even give them away. And if you guys do something similar to us, just send us some pictures or videos because I think this is really cool. And yeah.